With 2 decades of experience, she has captivated audiences in Japan, China, Korea, and the Philippines, performing as a front act for renowned artists.
Wow, Augustine Loverly, prepare to be enthralled by Loverly Valera's powerhouse vocals and join us for a night of unforgettable OPM music filled with passion and international flair. Give it up for Miss Loverly!
Good evening, everybody. It is my honor and I'm so grateful to be here tonight. Welcome, Denver! I'm here for you guys at the Bakanyo Molex, Jerry Bar and Draya. And of course, by the way, I would like to greet a happy 13 years anniversary to my friend, to what's her name? Spritzer family. And of course, everybody, happy birthday sa lahat namin para tonight. And of course, Mr. Edmond, Miss Yolanda, and Mr. Africa, and Genesis, and everybody's here tonight. Thank you. I'm gonna give you a song from, it's gonna be my own version. And the song, Just Once, and I hope you like the song. This song is for you, sir. Thank you for coming tonight. And to my husband. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers. Wondering if we ought to say or head on down the door. Just once, come on. Can we figure out what we can do it wrong? While we never last for very long. What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to fall in my head right? So make the magic last for more than just one night. If we just get to it, I know we could break through it. I love you! I gave my all, but I think my all may have been too much. 'Cause alone knows when I this coming September, whatever, this year. So, sana po makapunta po. Supportin po rin po yung mga talent ng mga taga-Colorado Springs. Yan. At salamat mga kaibigan ko taga-Colorado. By the way, I'm from New Mexico. Sa ngayon, for now, New Mexico, all the way from New Mexico.